So we got this all cleaned up. We ran a new line back here, and it's all coming underneath here. We got the freeze guard there. We got the downspout connected. The new line is coming right through here. We also packed clay along the foundation there to give it some extra protection. And then we ran the new solid line all through here, added in a dig out against the foundation. And then we put a filter underneath all the downspouts, tied them all in. You can see that one there. And the solid line runs right through here. We resod it when we're done, so you can't even really tell that it's the drainage has been run. And then over here, we tied in this downspout right here with the filter. And then you can see there's a release right here, which is important because the storm sewer's down there. If that ever backs up for any reason, we've got a release there where it can drain down here. And then it runs right down into the storm sewer. And you can actually see, which is cool, you can see water coming out of there, so it's working. Yeah, super happy with how this turned out. We were in and out in a day, and it turned out great.